Hi, it's Carrie.
And Sydney, and this is Laughing Glass Cocktail of the Week.
There's going to be another video. You guys can go back and check it out, but I made a fresh ginger sugar rim for our cocktail glass. So start with that, and then I'm going to start with a couple of pieces, just a few chunks of fresh ginger, and I'm just going to kind of muddle that at the bottom of my shaker with my muddler.
Ginger
Just
makes
kind of
everything better.
Yeah, just juice it. You don't need a ton of this because it's just for the subtleness of flavor. But just give that a little bit of a juicing. And we're going to make this with the Laughing Glass Pomegranate Margarita. I am going to add 6 ounces of Pomegranate Margarita. I totally forgot ice. So I'm going to put a little ice in there.
Yay.
Usually I do that before we start. And then we also juiced a fresh grapefruit. And I'm going to do 3 ounces of fresh squeezed grapefruit juice.
So
Totally yummy. And giving that a little bit of a shake. And I just have this beautiful martini glass, again with the ginger sugar rim. Oh, that's pretty.
So pretty.
And that's it. And that will make just enough for 2 pretty little cocktails. You want to chase that one? You can see little
Thank
ginger
you.
floaties in there.
Oh, that's really good with that ginger sugar rim. It's
It needs-
really nice. It's got like a little kick to it.
Well, with fresh grapefruit,
fantastic.
it doesn't have much sweetness to it sometimes too, so you need that little sweetness around the rim.
Yeah. So good.
Enjoy!
Cheers.
Cheers.